Yeah, I bought this, it's from Total Bolt. Total Boat. It's called Total Flare Resin Part A. And Total Boat, Total Flare, Hardener Part B. You mix these together. It takes, says, I looked it up, it takes 3 hours to dry. So I decided to try it because I can put it on my bumpers. You can put it on rubber bumpers. And I think fiberglass. So I'm going to try it out. If it doesn't work, I'll just take it off. And then I stuffed some fiberglass, matting, a little slim piece on the back. So I got to go somewhere, and maybe anyway, that's what I did, and we'll see what happens. But I got the gaps right. I mean, I still got to come in a hair, but I wanted to have room to put a shim in there. So that's where I'm at. Okay, it's 3 hours later. I just got back. This stuff feels kind of like hard rubber. So what I'm scared of is, last time when I took this off and put it over there, it flexed and it went back together wrong. So somehow I need to do all this in place. So, or maybe I'll take it off. This is what I'll probably do. I'll take it off, clean up the back, put it back on, get it right, and put another coat on. So I can feel the back. There's big pieces sticking out like icicles. So it's a new product that I've never used, and that's it. Yeah, here's what happened before when I had to recut it. I didn't realize it, but I took this piece over to the car. So I got one bolt in, but my line is way over here. It's an inch off. So this thing flexes. You can't see it. So I'm going to have to drill a hole, flex it, and get it in the hole. Anyway, that's what happened. So I'll just drill a hole. It's weird, you can't even feel it flex. Okay, I took it over to the car just to double check, because I just couldn't believe it flexed that much. But it did. Now I'm safe. I mean, I'm safe this way. I'm just wondering, is there any other way it can flex? Okay, it's like 3 days later. I had to recut it again because for a lot of reasons. But this time I used fire. Okay, I'm only going to do one shot of this. It wants to go down, so make sure that you tighten these nuts of it as it's drying. It's actually pretty good on that side. I'm just going to walk over this side. It's like an eighth wide on the other side. So I'm just going to put the bolts on and let it dry over the weekend. So that's what you got to watch out for. And then close the hood and make sure it lines up. I'm just going to show you one trick I learned, if anybody cares. I put these nuts in here. I get in there and they fall out. They keep falling out. So just put a little bit of grease. Won't fall out. I mean, I must have dropped it 50 times. I mean, that means 10. So I'm just going to line this up. Just tighten it by hand. This side's good, and then I'll just do the same to the other side and let it dry.